Are you ready?
It's like it.
Yeah. It's
What's
been
going on, guys? So today we are doing a harness bar in the Rocket Bunny, soon to be Rocket Bunny Eclipse. As you can see right now, we've got no fenders on the car. The fenders are away from paint right now, so pay no mind to the booty looking fenders right there. I got Jordan helping me today. We're gonna put this harness bar in, and we've got some Takata harnesses to go in as well. And we got Paul helping us out too. And yeah, it should be good. Yeah, so today we're gonna install 4-point harnesses and a harness bar into a coupe. So here we got the harness bar, and we got a Cipher Auto one, and it's pretty good because it has these brackets for the belts to stop them from sliding, and it comes with hardware and these plates to go into your upper seat belt and support rods right here. That they have the eye bolts on here and they connect into the bottom here. So first thing we have to do is take these seats out, because as you can see we have this mesh in here, and I am going to be running the harnesses on the stock seats for a little while until I end up getting some brides, but these are just way too comfortable, and I'm going to be doing a lot of driving in the summer, so I'm planning on keeping these for a little bit. So first thing we got to do is take these out. It's pretty easy, 4 bolts and 1 wire, 1 clip, and should be good. So first thing you're gonna have to do is remove this cap right here, and it exposes a 14 mil bolt. That's not a 14 mil, I lied. So now we are putting on the support brace, and we are going to the seatbelt buckle bracket here rather than the side of the seatbelt, because it won't work out that way for this harness on the Eclipse. So we're going to go to this bolt here. With the Eclipses, no matter what support rod that you use, it's not long enough to reach your seatbelt point at any of the other 3 points. Basically I had to make this adapter plate here, and the seat will just slip on over after. So let's go ahead and make this custom plate right here. So I got the bottoms all tightened up, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the seats back in, and then tighten up the tops, and move on to the seats. Seats are now in, and the harness is all tightened down. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on cutting the mesh out of these front seats. Okay, so I got the mesh dremeled out on both of these seats now. Time to put them back in. Okay, so I got the seats in, I got the harness bars in, and the support rods and all the hardware, and now I need to put the harnesses in, but I'm going to wait because I'm alone right now, and I would like to have some help for when I am adjusting the harnesses, so I can get a comfortable fit in the seat with the harness on, and not have to get out and redo it like 10 times by myself. So yeah, so fast forward to tomorrow when I got some help. And we're back, and I got Jordan, I've got Paul, and these guys are going to help me put in the harnesses, so let's get at it. So here we have the harnesses. We have lap belt with the lock, 1 shoulder strap, another shoulder strap, and another lap belt. But we won't be needing all of these because we have a harness bar, because it's a safer method, because I don't like using these, because when the anchor bolt is sitting lower than your shoulders, You got a good chance of spinal compression. Those are way above your shoulder height. And plus, when you use a harness bar, 3 points of contact are on that harness bar.
There are 4.
4 points of contact on the harness bar, and then you have 2 points of contact in your lap belt, and then 2 more points on your harness bar.
Yes.
So that's way more points than those eye bolts that hook into your trunk. It's just way safer to use the harness bar overall, and it gives a lot of rigidity to your chassis. So here we have the 2 shoulder straps and the 2 lap belts. And as you can see on these shoulder straps, you have these quick clip-ins for eye bolts. I'll be taking these off and I'll be using these and doing the wraparound method on the harness bar. So for a cleaner look, Paul decided to trim this out right here so we could fit the eye hook through and not have to just scrap this plastic piece. So good on Paul. Thanks, Paul. This harness kit came with a Takata toe strap, 2 of them. So what we done is we got rid of these janky door handles and put in a nice toe strap as a door grab. As you can see, these here are janky and gross and make a lot of noise, and they tend to break. Pretty ridiculous to get off. So it's 2 10 mil bolts, and for the lower one you need a deep socket because that's really deep. And so once you get these 2 off, what you have to do is you got to break these little screws off and let them fall down in the door. They're pretty useless. They make these, they put these in like this at the factory backwards for easier install. I figured it out from Rob Zimmerman. Shout out to Rob. I'll link his YouTube right here. He has lots of good informational videos when it comes to working on these Fortune Eclipses. And yeah. Lap belts are in. Now we got to do the shoulder belts. So we got the harnesses in, and these are just sitting loose because when we bring the car out in the spring, we might have to do a little bit of adjustments and roll them up and then zip tie them. But for now, it's fine. So the roll bar is in, the seats are still in. As you can see, I'm running the brace down to a plate that I custom made. And the door straps are on, both sides. Harnesses are in. Shout out to Paul and Jordan for helping me. Both these guys own sick WRXs. Go check out their Instagrams. I'll drop their Instagrams right here. Alright guys, that's going to be all for this video. Make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos of us doing some sweet mods to this car. The fender flares are away for paint, and so there'll be a video back on that soon where we reveal the whole car with the wide body done. And yeah.
Peace.